All right, this is a really weak load to the scrap yard, but I need to free up my truck. So I got some batteries here. I've got these two coils that those copper donuts that I called them. I think they're considered heavy steel. I'm gonna try it anyway. And then I've got just shred. I do have some rads in the back corner back there. So anyway, let's see what we get. It's probably not gonna be a lot, but a couple bucks better than nothing. All right, so let's go over this real quick. It's gonna be very quick. So sheet iron, I had 220 pounds at 245 a net ton. I'll have to do the math on that. That's definitely lower than it was, but 27 bucks for that. It's not bad. And then my sorting steel, which was my heavy steel, my prepared, those were just those two copper donut centers. Those were 94 pounds for the two of them, and that's paying 275 a net ton, 1293. And then the batteries, which I got for free from work, that came out of those battery backups, they ended up being 112 pounds, and those are 15 cents a pound for 16.80. So that was 57 bucks. And then I have to go next door because this place won't take rads unless you have a license. So I took them next door. The 4 rads that I got out of the AC units that I had found at the hotels, those ended up being 24 pounds for the 4 of them, and $1.25 a pound. That ended up being another 30 bucks for pretty much a throwaway day, or what I consider to be a throwaway day, was 87 bucks. That's all right, man. I figure even if I get 50 bucks, you know, it's better than nothing. I mean, geez, you saw the back of my truck. It wasn't very full at all. 87 bucks, I will take it. Look what I found in the dumpster, or behind some dumpsters at a apartment complex. If you look down, you can see all this railing stuff. Those are all the racks that I picked up at that assisted living place yesterday. It took up my whole truck. In fact, I had to go make a second run to bring it all back, but it all packed down really nicely after I took all the screws and stuff out. So I was wanting to, with the holiday weekend coming up, I have to get this unloaded. So I was going to undo a bunch of computers, just so, because the boxes are all metal and they would be some weight, and I could fill this thing up as much as I could anyway. And then I go there and I find all this. And this looks like a axle or something. I don't know, very old. But that'll go with my prepared steel, which I'll put down here. But also there was this bin. This was in there. See some wires, some metal, some shred. And look at all this wire. That's kind of awesome that this bin was sitting right next to the bikes on the ground. Shred. I just wanted to go through here real quick and see what was here. That thing's rusted up pretty good. A lot of good wire though. Oh, check this out. A couple pieces of copper. Yeah. All right. Almost scared to look in here. Oh, it looks like a 40. Okay. Guess the 40. Is it a Busch Light, Schlitz? Let's see. It's hard to do one-handed. Hold on. Okay. What do we got? Oh, Corona. All right. I don't drink it, but it's better than Schlitz. Let's see. Looks like a lot of scrap metal. A couple more cans. Okay. Got some more copper here. Wow, what a great find. This, probably got some number 2 copper here. So I'll figure that out. I don't see any welds on that, so I'll call that number 1. Oh, dropping stuff all over. Let's see. Another piece of copper. Yes. Man, what a great bin. Who just sets out a bin like this next to a dumpster? That's some number 2 copper right there. It's the same apartment complex that I found the, there's another one. Oh, what do you call it? The drug pipe. That was a meth pipe, I think. That's pretty heavy. It looks like a hook of some kind. Some more number 2. Oh, check that out. There's another one. Man. And a ton of nuts and bolts. I think that's all the good stuff. But I'll obviously get all that. What's this thing? Wheels and boards. Nah, must be a holder of some kind. Alright, so there you go. Okay, here we is. About to go into the scrapyard and get a few bucks. I need to free up space in this truck. One thing I need you to do for me, keep track of the number of computers that I throw out. I'm gonna try to set this camera up out the back window, but I don't know how many computers I have. So keep count for me and leave a comment in the comments section. That'd be great. And of course, hit the thumbs up. Yeah. Are you serious that I don't have the right one? What am I unscrewing here? Yeah, I guess I gotta do it. There we go. What I'll do here is just start trimming wires. Oh, Lordy. Stand up like a real man and get to work here. Okay, so let's get some of the money out of here. I believe these are memory sticks. 4 of them. Nice gold edges on them on both sides. Once I do a couple of these, it'll all get more normal. Nice aluminum heat sink there. I'll get that off later. Then the big prize. I mean, look at the pins on that thing. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, I've taken some of these off before They didn't have pins that were that long. Yeah, I don't know what this one is, but that one's kind of beefy. I like it. Forget a screw over here. Okay, so all you computer gurus out there, scrap and scorpion. You would know what to do with that. Not me. I'm gonna take this thing off because I don't know what it is, but solid state drive, SanDisk. I don't know. Otherwise, that's a box right there that I could take to the scrapyard. There we go. What is this? I don't think it's squat. Yeah. What are you gonna do with it? Alright, so I know Scrap and Scorpion went like this, but this is all going to the recycle center. That one's done. But I think the more I do, the easier it's going to get. And I didn't even do this the first time. Duh. Well, that last one didn't have a hard drive. This one has a hard drive in it. Well, it wants to come out of there. I can't get it out, though. What the hell's going on? See, I hate this.
Order in the court.
Why doesn't it just come out? Oh. I'm about to throw this thing across my garage. Okay, here's the next one. Doesn't have the pins on the back of this like this one does. And that one's done. Now let's see if I'm getting better at this where I don't have to turn this thing off. 500 gigabyte. Now let's see if this is gonna work. Oh, it did. What do you know? Oh, here's another one that's got the pins on it. Nice. Is one of these better than the other? Who knows about this stuff? The ones that have pins on it, are those more expensive? Let me know in the comments so I know what the heck I'm doing. And that's that. Right when I started to get a rhythm, this thing switched up on me. Okay, let's see. I've got a bunch of these already. Okay, this is another one that doesn't have the pins on it. I called these memory, but maybe this is RAM. What do I know? Let me know what it is and what it isn't. I might have said the wrong thing. Be sure to school me on that. So now nothing wants to work. Can't take any screw off with that attachment. Oh, this one's still gonna hold up. Yeah, when I'm done with all these computers I have, which I have a bazillion of them, I may never get another one. It just doesn't blow my skirt up. Can't figure out why this thing won't come out. All right, we're going in. Gonna have to hide the camera to go over the scale because they get their undies in a bundle when you record. So peace. All right, let's have some fun. Oh shoot. Oh no. Ah, my camera fell. Well, I'm not going to be able to count the computers, I would guess. Well, that blows. Okay, real quick, one item to go, but the sheet iron, we had 520 pounds. That's about what I get in my truck. Not much more than that. At $220 a net ton, which comes out to 11 cents a pound. So I got 57 bucks. I'll take the 57 bucks. Truck is empty and light. Ooh, I gotta turn the air back on. She's about 84 degrees outside. That's like a catastrophic heat wave in Wisconsin. So anyway, that is it. That's gonna be the vid. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you gave me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. In fact, why don't you tell me how many computers you did see me chuck? You might not have the total, but I'm curious when that camera fell. That kind of sucks. You probably missed the whole thing, which isn't that big of a loss necessarily, but anyway. Peace out. Peace with Scrap Dollar Grace, and we will see you soon.